Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Today's topic is top useful and fruitful trees for your farmhouse. Banana plant. Banana plant also used for the plants that produce the banana fruit. The banana plant is the largest herbaceous flowering plant. Papaya. Papaya is small branch plant cultivated in most tropical countries. Papaya fruit and pulp contains water, vitamin C and carbohydrates. Leaves are used for treatment of dengue and malaria. Pomegranate tree. Pomegranate is small tree cultivated throughout the Middle East and India. A shrub also grown as ornamental trees in some parks and gardens. Mulberry plant. Mulberry plant is fast growing tree and the fruit is edible too. The fruit and leaves contain significant amount of resveratrol. Cashew tree. Cashew tree is large and evergreen tree and fruit is called cashew apple and cashew nut inside. The cashew tree is native to Brazil and Portuguese took it to Goa in India. Custard apple. Custard apple tree is the most widely cultivated species of family Annuaceae. In traditional Indian medicine, leaves of custard apple tree are used to heal wounds and to treat dysentery. Chiku. Manilkara zapota is known as sapota and chiku in India, and the fruit has exceptionally sweet flavor. Sapota fruits contain high amount of saponin cultivated in many some parts of India. Guava. Some guava is an evergreen small tree and fruits are edible. India is the largest producer of guavas. Indian almond. Indian almond tree is grown as ornamental tree for shade and wild fruit. Indian fig tree. Indian fig tree is native to Indian subcontinent and favorite food for the Indian Makui. Drumstick tree. Drumstick tree is a fast growing tree and drought resistant tree as well. Young leaves are used for herbal medicine and India is the largest producer of moringa. Jackfruit tree. Jackfruit tree is native to southwest India and the fruit is largest tree borne fruit. The jackfruit is the state fruit of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Kerala is the largest producer of jackfruit in the world. Mango tree. Mango is the national fruit of India and have been cultivated in South Asia too. Mangoes are very popular in India and in Tamil Nadu. Mango is one of the three royal fruits with banana and jackfruit. Jamun tree. Jamun tree is native to Indian subcontinent known as black plum or jamun. The fruit tends to color the tongue purple with its sweet, mildly sour flavor. Gooseberry tree. Gooseberry tree with edible small yellow berries fruit tastes sour and tart. The plant is also used medicinally in India and produces fruit throughout the year. Coconut tree. Coconut tree is a plant growing up to 30 m originated in India, Indonesia region. Coconut palms are grown around the world. India is the third largest producer of coconut in the world. Cultivation states of India are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka to Lakshadweep. So friend, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel. If you like it, then please press the like button. And thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you.